For you to activate the relationship, Yakho and your ancestors, the first thing you need to do is you need to visit your family members that have passed on. You need to go to the graves. You need to go there, clean. And when you go there, please carry a bottle of water. Carry a bottle or a bucket of water. It will depend on how many graves you want to visit. If baning abantu sebebandlula or what, or if it's just 2 people, or if it's just 1 person, you can just carry a bottle of water. Tap water from your own home. You clean. After you're done with cleaning, you take that water, you pour. You don't even have to talk. You don't even have to say anything. Just get there, clean, pour water. If you feel like saying something, you will say it, but you don't have to. You don't have to if you don't want to say anything. After cleaning, you wait on them. You leave the graves, you wait. You wait. They will definitely respond to you. They will definitely reply. They'll be saying, thank you for visiting me. Thank you for doing this. Now listen, this is what you have to do. Remember, when you going there, you are trying to activate the relationship. You are trying to find out what is it that you are supposed to do. There is no third party that will be saying, hey, do this, do that. No, there'll be no third party. Whatever that you were desiring in your heart, you might as well get it after going to Amangwaba. Or you will get someone who's very spiritual like me, who will tell you, this is what you need to do, this is what you need to do. They'll even come Gamapopo with families and ancestors. This topic is very much subjective because of other families do things in different ways. But all I'm saying is that I am giving you the general rule. I am giving you the key to unlock. Water is a powerful element, and water can be used to heal and can be used to do so many things. With water, amanzi ajulile. So use water to just say fa, and you will see the light.